Alright, homies, 1C, we have a quadratic here. I'm going to solve this using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to say x equals positive 13, so because that's my negative b term right there. So if it's negative 13, it becomes positive 13. So positive 13, negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So 13 squared minus 4ac. So 4 times a is 2, and c is 18. All of that over 2a, so 2 times 2. Now remember, your test is calculator and non-calculator. So maybe you could use a calculator for this. Maybe you need to be able to do it by hand. Let's do it by hand just to be safe. So x equals 13 plus or minus. Let's simplify some things. 13 squared. For the time being, I'm just going to write that as 13 times 13. We'll see what happens. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. What is 8 times 18? I don't know, but I can figure it out. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 144. So why don't we go ahead and change 13 times 13 to 169. So 169 minus 144 is inside that square root. All of that over 4. What's 169 minus 144? Well, 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 25. So let's simplify this a little bit. X equals 13 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 4, which means x equals 13 plus or minus 5 over 4, which means two solutions, 13 plus 5 over 4 and 13 minus 5 over 4. Simplify both. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 over 4 is the same as 9 over 2. So there's one solution. Second solution, 13 minus 5 is 8, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. So there are our two solutions, 9/2 and positive 2. Check yourself, make sure you can do that on the calculator as well correctly. But there you have your two answers.